Hi, welcome to Sketchman Draws for Disney month. Thank you for watching and thank you for following if you've been following the series of tutorials that I've been doing on Disney characters. So for Disney month today, because it's about time that I covered how to draw a Disney princess, so I'm going to start with Jasmine. I believe I've done it so long, a long time ago, I don't even remember, but I think I've done a tutorial on Jasmine. Let's get started. So first what I do is I'll try to break down the picture that we are trying to draw into simple shapes. So let me reduce the opacity of the image here, and by the way, the images that I'm using can be found in Pinterest. That's where I get my images from. So again, the cranial mass, right? Like if you remember, like that kind of spheric mass that we have, or let me move that a little bit to the side. Is here, right? Like, and then so not to get into too much into details, but her that's basically her head, right? Like without including the hair and all the ornaments and earrings and so on. So now, because and also I chose this picture because you kind of see the whole body, and I kind of wanted to draw characters, the whole body of the character. So let's imagine, like, so for example, whatever object, 3D object you're drawing, it exists in a 3D space, and for that you need to imagine the object on an axis. On an axis means, like, so what is the object revolving around, like, so now we are drawing human anatomy, right? Like, or a humanoid character. So in this case, the axis point, the main axis point that you need to pay attention to is the backbone, okay, including the neck, of course, the position of the backbone, the inclination of the backbone, and the legs, right? So if you get that, you will get your posture right. So outside it looks like it's going to rain. Let me put on the lights. There we go. I don't think that helps, but anyway. As long as you can see what I'm doing on the screen, it's fine. So her backbone is somewhere here, okay? So this is her pelvis, and then her knee is here somewhere, and her leg and feet. Same here. And then her arms, right? So if I remove that, you'll see something like this, right? Like, so that's basically the skeleton of the character that we are trying to draw. So let's try to take that skeleton and then build the forms around the skeleton, around that axis, right? Like, so for example, like if you take my arm, right? Like so there is the bones are running inside my arm, right? So the arm is kind of the the arm, the nerves, the muscles, the skin, everything is like around the bone. So I consider the bones to be the axis point of my arm, right? So let's put the circle here. Something like this, and then the neck, shoulders, course it's a cartoon character, right? So the proportion is not realistic. I mean, they want to keep that beauty of, it's close, I would say it's closer to fashion illustration than like real life representation. So the legs are, as you can see, are clearly longer than the torso. So now let's check. I think I got, yeah, I think we so since you're happy with that, let's go ahead with so basically I'm following that line as well, basically a guideline to put the forms. Again, you can play this video over and over again in case you feel like I'm going a bit fast, which can happen because I am recording this video and I don't actually have an interaction, right? Like you're not in the room with me, so I can't really see your face, your reaction to what I'm teaching, so I'll do my best to get it clear. The hands require, I mean, I've done other tutorials, so please go check them out on my channel, because hands, especially cartoon hands, require an explanation in themselves. So of course this is not, I don't want to say this is not the official, but this is not the actual screenshot from a movie, right? Like this is actually probably like a pin-up drawing someone has done. Let me adjust this. A pin-up drawing someone has done, or fan art someone has done for this character. So here, like for the arms, for example, yeah, we can see our arms. So the form that I want to depict is the arms. I mean, for the legs, I could draw the legs and then the trousers, or the trousers that she's wearing. But you know, you can just directly draw the trousers because that's what we see. And by the way, as I've said in my previous videos, if you want me to draw any other specific character, let me know in the comments below. So it's okay to be messy at the beginning. So she has her she has a very defined silhouette, or unique silhouette, especially because of her hair, right? Like, again, I'm slowly incorporating things, and as I'm slowly incorporating details, I'll be slowly erasing the reference lines, the guidelines that I've drawn for myself. So at this point I'm just following the details, because now since I've established the, let me make this face smaller because that will really give that female, feminine face. Just a little bit. So it's that circle within a circle, and then I'm just flipping to see if, because the eyes are a little bit weird here. I always struggle with the eyes, but it's worth fighting for, because if your eyes aren't right, your character wouldn't look good. I still feel like the face is too big. Yeah, so the rest is just adding details, but once you've established the posture and the forms, you can go ahead and do the rest. Of course, I can't forget the hair. So this is the penciling process. I could also ink it and color it, right? Like, but actually, this is what I wanted to show you, because like a cleaned up version of the sketching part. So let me know, do you want me to color this? Do you want me to ink this? Let me know about that. Just adding a few more details. And yeah, I think we're done. So now the eyes, I still feel are not quite there. And there you have it. That's Jasmine. So like I said, like, let me know if you want me to ink this and color this. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to suggest, like, in the comments, like, which cartoon characters, which Disney characters you would like to see, at least for this month, because this will be Disney month. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it wasn't too fast. So if it was, please go back and play it, and please let me know, like, because I'm kind of figuring out, like, the setup that I'm really liking, and I think I'm still using digital because it allows me to you know, break down the picture and, you know, like, have a better should I say hands-on explanation on the subject that we're trying to draw. But other than that, I just want to thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe. And until next time, this is Boris for Sketchman Draws, signing off.